A blaze of glory. Falcon 9 lights up the sky. The night sky blazed with fiery brilliance. A Falcon 9 rocket roared into the darkness, a spectacle of human ingenuity against the vast cosmic canvas. From Cape Canaveral, Florida, SpaceX once again launched humanity's aspirations for a more connected future. This was no ordinary launch. This mission carried a payload of immense significance. 13 Starlink satellites, each equipped with the revolutionary ability to beam cell phone signals directly from space. The rumble of the engines reverberated through the air, a primal symphony of power and precision. Spectators watched in awe as the Falcon 9 ascended, a blazing torch pushing against the pull of gravity. This launch was more than just a technological marvel. It was a symbol of humanity's relentless pursuit of progress, our unyielding desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. 13 satellites, one giant leap for connectivity. These weren't just any Starlink satellites. These 13 carried a game-changing technology direct to cell phone connectivity. Imagine making calls, sending texts, even browsing the internet, all powered by a constellation of satellites orbiting hundreds of miles above the Earth. This is the future that SpaceX is forging. A future where geographic location no longer dictates access to communication. This breakthrough technology has the potential to revolutionize communication, particularly in remote and underserved areas. Imagine villages in the Amazon rainforest gaining access to the internet for the first time. Disaster relief teams coordinating efforts seamlessly in the wake of natural calamities, or researchers in the Arctic sending real-time data from the most isolated corners of the globe. The implications are staggering. The booster returns, a symphony of sustainability. As the Falcon 9 soared higher, a familiar sight unfolded below. The first stage booster, having completed its initial push, separated from the upper stage carrying the precious satellite cargo. But this was no ordinary discard. The booster, a marvel of reusable rocket technology, flipped around and began its descent back to Earth. Guided by its grid fins and powered by its reignited engines, the booster gracefully navigated its way back through the atmosphere. It touched down on a drone ship stationed in the Atlantic Ocean, a testament to SpaceX's commitment to sustainability and cost-effectiveness in space exploration. This ballet of technology, a seamless blend of power and precision, is a hallmark of SpaceX's approach. Section 4. Bridging the digital divide. Starlink's promise to the unconnected. The successful deployment of these 13 satellites marks a significant step towards bridging the digital divide. For too long, access to reliable, high-speed internet has been a luxury enjoyed by a privileged few. Starlink aims to change that. By beaming internet coverage from space, Starlink has the potential to connect even the most remote communities, empowering them with access to education, healthcare, economic opportunities, and a world of information. Imagine a world where a child in rural Africa has the same access to online educational resources as a student in a bustling metropolis. Imagine doctors in remote villages using telemedicine to consult with specialists thousands of miles away. Imagine entrepreneurs in developing nations leveraging e-commerce to connect with global markets. This is the transformative power of connectivity, and Starlink is poised to make it a reality. Section 5. The future unfolds. SpaceX's vision for a connected planet. This launch is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. SpaceX envisions a future where tens of thousands of Starlink satellites encircle the globe, forming a seamless network that provides high-speed internet access to every corner of the planet. This ambitious project has the potential to revolutionize not just communication, but also fields like education, healthcare, disaster relief, and scientific research. But SpaceX's ambitions don't stop there. The company is constantly pushing the boundaries of space technology, developing more powerful rockets, reusable spacecraft, and even planning missions to Mars. Starlink is just one facet of Elon Musk's grand vision for humanity's future among the stars. A future where we become a multi-planetary species and extend our reach far beyond Earth. Section 6. A constellation in the making, expanding the Starlink network. The launch cadence of Starlink satellites has been nothing short of remarkable. SpaceX has been launching batches of these internet-beaming satellites at a breakneck pace, steadily building towards its goal of global coverage. Each launch adds more nodes to this celestial network, expanding its reach and bringing reliable internet access to more people around the world. the impact is already being felt. Communities previously relegated to the wrong side of the digital divide are now joining the online world, experiencing the transformative power of connectivity firsthand. Students are accessing online learning resources, entrepreneurs are launching businesses, and families are staying connected across continents, all thanks to the growing constellation of Starlink satellites overhead. Section 7. Our Connected Future. A universe of possibilities. The successful launch of these 13 direct-to-cell-phone Starlink satellites is more than just a technological achievement. It represents a paradigm shift in how we think about connectivity, accessibility, and the very nature of communication itself. As SpaceX continues to expand its Starlink network, the possibilities for a more connected and equitable world are limitless. But it also begs the question, what will we do with this newfound connectivity? How will we leverage this technology to address global challenges, bridge divides, and unlock human potential? The future is in our hands, and it's a future brimming with possibilities, all thanks to the power of human ingenuity and the audacity to reach for the stars.